Hi, I'm Nona, and this is Nona's Here. And today is $10 Tuesday, which is right up my alley because I am a budget-friendly crafter. I do fun and easy crafts that anyone can do, even you. So today is hosted by Catherine from A Perfect Way to Start, and her co-host is Rebecca Virginia DIY. And the idea is to do any craft that costs under $10. So I have a very easy and fun craft to share with you that definitely cost under $10. And you know, I got my supplies at Dollar Tree. So I hope you enjoy my video. But first, if you enjoy budget-friendly crafts that are easy and fun to do, then if you haven't done so, Blue Angels are out flying today. And you might have seen my friend Percy out there on the balcony. The door's open so that he can come in and out, and we have a very nice breeze today. No sun shining, unfortunately. And if you hear some waves roaring in, that's from the Gulf. The Gulf is behind that landform that you see back there. We live on the Intercoastal Waterway, and so the water stays pretty calm unless there's a real hard wind. Then we get some white caps. But right now it's very calm, even though there's a nice breeze. But we hear the waves from the Gulf, which is on the other side of that landform. But we see boats, and we see the pelicans, and we see the seagulls, and we see the jet skis, and sometimes we see the dolphins. So we get a lot of things to see off of our balcony, and Percy likes to be out there on pirate watch, so that's what he's doing right now. Anyway, the door's open because we're getting a nice breeze inside. So what I want you to do is, if you haven't done it yet, is hit that subscribe button. It's free, and then hit the bell next to it so that you'll be notified of all the times that I upload a video. Be sure and hit the word all right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified, okay? Now, I'll be sure and link Perfect Way to Start, Catherine's channel down below, and Rebecca Virginia's DIY channel down below, and the playlist of all the other wonderful creators who are joining in for $10 Tuesday today. So you'll want to be able to check out all the other YouTubers who are joining in today's fun $10 Tuesday collaboration, all right? So let me get over to my craft table and show you what I've done today, and I hope you enjoy my video. Be sure and comment down below, and I'd love it if you would give me a thumbs up. All right, enough chatting, let's go craft. So this is what I used for this craft, this decorative cake tray with a pretty scalloped edge that I got at the Dollar Tree. This glass candlestick holder, which I got at the thrift store for $1. I'm pretty sure it was from the Dollar Tree, but I did have to scrape a little bit of paint off of it. This mirror that I had in my stash that I got at the Dollar Tree eons ago. This candle that I got at the Dollar Tree that is aquamarine glaze. This magnet that I got at the Dollar Tree. This, let's see what else I have. Oh, some Salt Range Himalayan Pink Salt Lip Balm, 2 for $1.25. Some pink, some felt stickers of Easter eggs, 6 pieces in a pack, and some Easter bunny stickers, 8 8 pieces in a pack. Let's see, I also have some candy that I got at the Dollar Tree, and some chalk paint that I didn't get at the Dollar Tree, plaster that I'm going to use to paint everything with the base, and then some Diva Pink acrylic apple barrel paint, and of course my E6000 glue that I did not get at the Dollar Tree, but everybody should have some of that in their stash. And then at one of my Dollar Trees, they started selling $3 and $5 crafts, and I got 2 hand towels in a pack for $3. It was wrapped up in this lovely blue silk ribbon. So I'm going to use one of those hand towels for my Easter basket tiered tray. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint everything in the plaster chalk paint to give it a good base. I've got these 3-pack of small clay pots that I'm going to paint. And I'm going to use my E6000 glue to glue the candlestick, the mirror on top of the candlestick holder. And I'm going to make sure it's level, and then I'm going to put that aside and let it dry all night long for a real strong hold. Now that I've painted the magnet, the clay pot, and the dish with my plaster chalk paint for a good solid covering, I'm going to paint my dish, my cake tray, with that pink Diva Pink acrylic paint. And I think I gave it 2 good, yeah, I know I did. I gave it 2 good coats for a nice covering. And then I painted I think the next thing up is I painted the clay pot with some chalk paint in celery. I really like that color. And so I painted a little bit of the inside and the outside with that chalk paint. And I just let that sit and dry. And now I have painted the magnet, and I'm going to use my spray-on Mod Podge, which I love, to glue on a picture of a seagull that one of my neighbors took and put on Facebook to cover that magnet. Now I'm going to take those sticky felt Easter bunny and Easter egg felt stickers and put those around the candle to make them look real Eastery. Nothing to that. That's easy to do. And then I'll set that aside. So I'm making all these things to make that tiered tray look real Eastery. Now I'm going to take that little clay pot, and I've put some styrofoam in there, and I'm going to glue some more styrofoam in there, and I'm going to stick some pretty spring flowers in there and some Easter eggs and make a little bouquet for on top of my tiered tray for a bouquet. Nice and easy to do. I'm gluing them in there so they'll stay. I'm using that skewer to make holes in the styrofoam so everything will stick in. So, and I've got some of those sparkly Easter eggs that I also got at Dollar Tree to stick in there and make it look real Eastery. I'm doing this instead of an Easter basket, a tiered tray. So now I'm going to use my Mod Podge spray, which I love, and I'm going to spray the paint, the plate, the bottom of the tiered tray, which is a cake tray. And I'm going to spray that with the Mod Podge to make sure that the paint doesn't crack. I'm going to set that aside and let it dry. And I'm also going to spray that little magnet. Then I had some Easter bunnies in a packet that I got at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to paint it white. And then I found in my scrapbooking stash some little foam letters of different colors. So I put those on the Easter bunny, and they were self-stick, and it says Easter Wishes. So now I'm ready to put my tiered tray together. I have glued the candlestick to the cake tray, and I let that dry all night. And there's the magnet. It's all ready. It's a kitchen magnet. It's got a big magnet on the back. And so I'm putting things together. There's my Easter Wishes bunny that I made. Oh, I'm showing you that that's the packet of Easter bunnies that I got. There's the candy that I got. I have some more candy that I got at Dollar Tree. And so there's my lip balm. There's the towel, and I used my Cricut, and I cut out Happy Easter and a bunny tail on the other side. And I'm going to roll that up and put it on. I don't know whether you could see it or not, but I used holographic vinyl, and it shines different colors when you hold it up. It's real pretty. Okay, so there it is, the whole tiered tray for my friend for Easter, with the bouquet on top and the Easter Wishes bunny and the candle and the Easter candy and the hand towel with Happy Easter on it. Now I know you've seen in the background, oh, there's the magnet and the lip balm. The purple one in the background, that one I had already made, and here it is. It's for another neighbor friend who loves purple. And see that magnet? That's an actual picture that she took from her balcony of the sunset that we see off of our balcony here in Pensacola. So I took that picture off her Facebook page and put it on her magnet. And her tiered tray is very much like the other one. It has the little bouquet on the top. Of course, her Happy Easter is in purple because that's what she likes, and her cake tray is in purple. And there the two tiered trays are together for both of them. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. If you like my take on something different than an Easter basket, instead tiered trays, give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for visiting. Hope to see you at Nona's Here again very soon. Thanks so much for visiting. Bye.